there are two worlds. The real world and the digital. And then there's the cat world. Oh, the lovely cat world. The problem with the two worlds is that in order to connect objects in the real world with the digital world, you need to be a rocket scientist or some sort of physicist from the Manhattan Project, or one of those brains in a jar. But not anymore. Meet Onion.
For the past year, we've been hard at work building something that's small, affordable, and really easy to use so that we can merge the two worlds together. We wanted to be like Tony Stark and be able to build whatever comes to our mind without learning how to build these things. And that is exactly why we created this, the Onion Omega. Thanks, Oliver. It's a tiny computer with built-in Wi-Fi and it runs the Linux operating system. This little bad boy lets you create connected devices in environments that you're already familiar with using tools such as SSH, Git, and NPM. And it also allows you to write software in Python, Node.js, PHP, or whatever language you feel comfortable with.
You now have the power to build anything you can imagine, such as smart home devices, security drones, security spiders, or even a cat feeder. A cat feeder that realizes your cat is too fat and then makes it exercise. Or if you don't want to build from scratch, you can browse the Onion App Store for ready-made apps.
In fact, if you want to see what you can build on the Omega right now, click on the live demo below and start to experience the Omega in real time.
The Omega allows me to build things in languages that I already know, and using things that I'm familiar with, like callback functions. And I actually built this light bulb in just 10 minutes, and it's remote controlled.
I really like working with the Onion Omega. It was really easy to use. I'm not a programmer or an engineer of any kind, but I went to the Onion App Store and I downloaded and customized an app that allows me to draw images for my Facebook newsfeed and put them into a digital photo frame.
The Omega is almost ready for production. We're so close to realizing our vision of making the Internet of Things accessible to everyone. And we want you to be a part of our revolution and start inventing connected devices that will make our world a smarter place. Right, Oliver?
What happens when we connect the real world with the digital? Awesomeness.